continues to rise in Los Angeles as the Lakers gain ground in the Western Conference, fueled by a strong stretch that showcased depth and adaptability. With LeBron James briefly out, the offense found new balance through Luka Doncic and Austin Reaves, both stepping into larger creative roles. Luka in particular has displayed elite control and efficiency, reinforcing his growing MVP narrative. Off the court, that same confidence translates into the Jordan Luka 5 Light Marine Blue. The sneaker features an engineered mesh upper that promotes airflow and keeps the build lightweight. Synthetic side panels provide containment, helping stabilize quick lateral movements. Underfoot, a Cushlon foam midsole delivers responsive cushioning and impact protection during explosive plays. A durable rubber outsole enhances traction for sharp cuts and fast transitions, while an internal frame adds structure and lockdown support. Finished with a smooth gradient design, the model blends performance and visual appeal, set to release April 1 at a retail price of $140.